Hey beauties, welcome back for another video. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kayla, and here on my channel I do a lot of content around faith, beauty of course, and also lifestyle. You guys, in this video I will be showing you how I get a soft glam makeup, and as you can already tell, I've gone ahead and already done one eye as well as done my entire face makeup, including my foundation and all of that jazz. In this video I will basically be focusing on the eyeshadow portion, so be sure to tune in, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to prime my eye using this e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and this is in clay. And to apply this all over my lid, I'm using the Morphe M173 brush. To start this look off, I'm going in first with my transition color, which is normally what I always do first whenever I do eyeshadow. Today I'm using the NYX Single Pot Eyeshadow, and this is called Dance the Tides. To apply this, I'm using my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm basically just applying this in the middle of my eyelid, and this is normally where I always apply my transition color. The next shade I will apply will be my darkest shade, and I'm going to go into that NYX Ultimate Neutrals palette as you saw I showed, and this is their warm neutrals version. To apply this, I'm using my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm basically just going to apply this to the outside of my lid. I'm also going back and forth using my blender brush just to make sure that I blend both shades all together, and I will basically do that back and forth until I get my desired outcome. The next shade I will apply will be my lid color, and to apply this I'm using my Eco Tools blurring shadow brush, and I'm basically just going to dab a little bit on, and as I apply this I will pat this shadow onto my lid so that it will not come out cakey, and I'm just basically going to add a couple layers until I get enough. Then of course, love, we always gotta blend. So I'm just basically going back in with my blender brush and blending all of those shadows together. Then here, I'm gonna go back in with my transition shade, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this above the area where I placed it initially, just to make sure that none of this color was lost in the blending process. I'm pretty sure I got some fallout here, so I'm just going in with my powder brush and just brushing over my under eye areas to make sure that it's clean. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes just a little, and afterward I will be moving on to my liner. I wanted this eyeshadow look to have a 360 finish, so I'm going to go underneath my waterline and just apply a couple shades under there so that area also has some coverage. And I'm just applying that darkest shade that I used before. Then I'm going to go in with this crease brush by e.l.f. and I'm just going to apply that lid shade right there. Next, I'm just going to apply some eyeliner to my waterline, and to do this, I'm using the Wet n Wild Kohl crayon pencil, and this is in Baby's Got Black. Alright, so we're just moving towards finishing off our eyes. I'm going in with this mascara primer, as this will help prep my lashes, and I'm just going to apply a couple layers of mascara. The lashes I'm using today are the Naked Lashes by Ardell, and these are in 420. I'm just applying the Strip Lash Adhesive by Lash Couture, and this will help give that sticky, tacky feel that I need so that my eyelashes can actually stick. If you know anything about me, I normally do not wear lashes. I'm usually a mascara girl and I'm good to go, but here lately, I've been actually enjoying these lashes. These are a very natural lash set, and if you are like me and you are very new to wearing lashes, lashes. These have really helped me as a beginner feel more comfortable wearing lashes, and I really love them. Here I'm just taking my finger and I'm pushing my natural lashes upward into the false lash so that they can blend more easily. We did that. And y'all know it's like Kayla to always end off a look with a bomb lippy. For today's lip, I'm going to go in using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in Club Hopper. And to top it off, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Beauty Mark. I did recently do a video just showcasing some of my current faves for brown skin girls. So if you have not checked that out, sis, watch it after this. Get your life. It's so worth it. To help set everything in place, I'm using the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Spray, and I'm just going to let this dry up. And here's the finished product, y'all. That is how you master a soft matte glam look. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all so much for always supporting me. And if you are new, subscribing doesn't cost you anything. So yes, I hope to see you back. Until next time, loves. Peace.